ಜಯಕಿರಣ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ಸ್ ತೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇತ್ತ ಕಜ್ಜ ಸಿನಿಮಾದ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಏನಂಚಿನ ವಿಶಾಂತ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಸುಳ್ಯರು ಸೊ ಅರಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪಾತಿರ್ಗ ಹಲೋ ಸರ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಜಯಕಿರಣ
Hello, hi, hi.
ಸರ್
Hi.
how did you get connected with this teams because this team is totally a fresh team but they have got experience also before this they have made a film named Tudar again they have come up with a new project again how did you get connected with this team.
Yeah, small world it is because
Here we
we
meet once again.
yeah. It is like it what goes up goes around. That's it. So we have few common friends. I was actually involved in few support activities for the local Tulu and Kannada diaspora activities in Dubai and Sharjah. So the common friends, one of the good friend I have there is Mr. Vishwanath Shetty, who is very connected in this industry as well. So through him, Gautam I have met, and I have met Siddharth there, and it was a good initial chat for over a coffee. A lot can happen over a coffee, you know. That's what has happened. So yeah, they were very ambitious, and at the bottom of my heart, I always felt like I should contribute to the local community. I've always been a big fan of our dialect, especially Tulu is very close to me, my heart. A lot of my friends, we speak that, we get our and when you want to scream at somebody, no other language is better than Tulu. So let's spread it. So that's the whole idea.
See, the past 5 decades, Tulu industry has come out with only this comedy genres films. And the past 2 years now, Tulu industry is seeing different genres of cinemas. And especially today in your poster release program, I saw that the difference in that poster design itself. What's the film is all about, sir?
Yeah, quite a secret, really. I mean, I am being given the snapshot of the movie over almost a couple of hours, so it's very ambitious. It is very different to the stereotype Tulu movies, what you have been always seeing, which is mostly inclined towards only comedy. So this movie promises you a bundle of everything with a shot of comedy, but it's a very movie that will connect a large diaspora of audience, right from the kids to the old age people. So there's something for everybody. That is why you will see a mix of the characters as well, delivering different roles. So it movie is very promising. As the poster definitely shows you guys, it is got a thriller element to it. There is a very good connected suspense. So it is like those Hollywood movies where they try to bring you back and forth. There's a history that comes in between in packs and all that. So try to expect a lot of surprise element on the movie, and it's a mixed genre movie.
Can I call this as a mixture of beauty and innocence?
Beauty, innocence, suspense, and violence also.
So we have put all together in one
They
single.
have, that's the initial blend of it. The whole challenge for them is not to overpower any element of it. So that is where I was very impressed with the director Jishnu and Siddharth, trying not to go overboard. So there a lot to be built and brought within 2.5 hours, with keeping in mind a control on the cost by not over filming things and then making a futile efforts of cutting it off. And also there's a lot of things, but this is going to be quite a different movie. Please support, and I'm sure they will deliver something.
Thanks a lot for speaking with the Jayakirana TV, sir. And in future upcoming days, we'll be in touch with you. We'll give more details about the movie to the audience.
It's a pleasure. Please support our team and this movie as well.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot.